Yo, what's good, YouTube? What's handed? New viewers, at ease, returning viewers. This is that man. I got a new mukbang here. Final mukbang in South Korea. It's a bittersweet moment. I won't lie to you guys. The restaurant is called No Brand Burger. Um, Damn, this shit ripping open. So I got a Chipotle chicken burger set. I guess it comes with like fries. Sorry, I didn't know it was in the way. Warm, crispy. They could use some salt though. But they're better than Latteria fries, so kudos for that. Yeah, I got a Chipotle hot chicken. Yeah, I think I got a Coke. Okay, this isn't a Coke. I don't know what this is. And cola. And cola. There we go. They gave me some ketchup. I'm good on ketchup. I don't really like toppings unless it's honey mustard. I take that back. Because these fries all kind of plain. Anyway, I got two burgers though. A megabyte burger that's like a regular hamburger with like a hashed potato on it. So the texture is gonna make it slightly better, a little crispy. I like that. So yeah, I got I think this is the medium fry. Comes with the burger set. And then I got me a separate large fry, just cause it's type shit. Yeah, fries definitely need some salt. Per usual type shit. Let me get this other ketchup packet out. All right. Nope. I don't really do ketchup like that, but figure why not. Ketchup is decent, actually. I won't lie to you. Ketchup is decent. I actually like this better than like Hunt's. Korean might be on something. Oh. Not bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't opened the burger. We're gonna start with the Chipotle hot chicken. Nice toasted bun, Tismano style. Flaky crust on the chicken. Try this first bite. See what we talking about. Yes, I can do this. Good spice left on that sauce, Chipotle sauce. Crispy chicken, good flavor. I like it. That'll do. 7. Okay. The end coal You can tell it's not Coke. Like Coke, excuse me. You can tell it's not Coke. Coke has a distinguishable taste compared to that regular, just Korean soda. I mean, obviously it's not Coke, but sometimes, you know, brands are similar. Like in the States, we have a cereal brand called Malto Meal, which is like, what is it called? I'm trying to look for the word. It's kind of like a bargain brand where it replicates other name brand cereals and shit like that for a cheaper price. So I was thinking maybe this and cola is similar to Coke, but it ain't. It's different. It's a decent little sandwich though. I need to get some tissue. I don't have napkins, and they didn't really supply napkins. It's all good. I hate when I'm eating and my nose runs. I think that's because of the spice. Okay, to finish this last bite. I body this. And I think all this was under like $20 US. So you really can't beat that. 2 burgers, 2 fries, and a soda. Yeah. Yeah. Medium fry, large fry, 2 burgers, and a soda. Yeah. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. I don't like licking my fingers like that, but I'm too lazy to get up and get me another tissue. So y'all just bear with me. Megabyte burger. Let me reload the tongue real quick. If you know, you know. And so there's the hash brown. And then underneath it, there's the patty. Is that mustard on it? I don't know if that's mustard or not. Anyway, let me reassemble this. First bite. Wow, okay. Sorry, y'all. My damn. Alright. First bite. I wish the hash brown were more crunchy. This would really take this burger to another level. burger patty itself is decent though. If you just want something quick and cheap, this no-brand burger. It's not bad. Not bad, to be honest. And of course, that comes with my room amenities. Came with some a fridge and some water in there, so that's greatly appreciated. It's very good. Stay hydrated. Remember to drink your water, chat. Damn patty almost slipped out that motherfucker. I'm not mad at this. I'm really not. As a final mukbang, this isn't too bad, for real. Well, I like this meal. I would say this is better than Lateria. So 6.8, 6.9. I believe I gave Lateria a 6.5. But this is better than it, so it's not bad. I'm really not mad. I'm not mad. Good price, decent enough food. I'm not mad. You see, I just wanted to chill today. I didn't really want to go out. I've been out spending money all week, man. Sometimes I just want to chill, you know. Play the crib. But I might go out a little later though. Cause I'm faking the mood for ramen too. Or maybe some cold soba noodles. That would hit too. Some soba noodles. If you never had cold soba noodles, y'all aren't cultured, man. Some cold soba noodles might hit too at the moment. Okay, this needs to stop happening, chat. This needs to stop happening. I'm gonna give me another napkin. Tissue, sorry. But I hope y'all are having a good day, man. My entire week has been swell. This entire trip, I've enjoyed it. I have no complaints. I can't speak more positively about the Korean people. No, they showed me a lot of love out here, man. So, shout out to them, man. Real shit, I fuck with the Korean people, man. They cool, man. They real cool. Yeah, I wish the hash brown was crunchy instead of like slightly soft / soggy. That would have been for real. That would have been good for real. It is what it is. But yeah, y'all. Think I'm gonna let y'all go now. This damn near approaching 15 minutes, man. I didn't want to make it this long, but really hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. If you have, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't, of course, and also don't forget to check out that YouTube description if you want a nice, reliable, open source crypto wallet. Check out Tangent or Onekey. I'll get back to you guys on the next upload. Next upload, I'll probably be in the States. Well, I will be in the States, but unless something unfaithful happens. And I don't believe in jinx. I don't believe in jinxing myself either. So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all. I holla. Deuces. We out.